everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon caramel cookies. So for these cookies, the ingredients are pretty simple and very yummy. We need 1 box of white cake mix. You need 1 stick or 8 tablespoons of butter softened. You need 4 ounces, which is half a stick of cream cheese softened. You need 24 Rolos. Those are going to go in the center. And then you need 1 egg. I'm not sure if I said that already. And then 3 to 4 tablespoons of cinnamon sugar. So if you don't have cinnamon sugar, you can just take 3 tablespoons of sugar and mix that with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and you'll get cinnamon sugar. So let's get started. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 and line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Alright, next you just want to take your cake mix, your egg, your butter, and your cream cheese and mix that with an electric mixer until soft dough forms. Alright, that looks nice and combined, so we're going to go ahead and stick that in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Okay, so you may not want to preheat your oven so early, because mine is ready and my cookies still have about 15 minutes to stay in the refrigerator. But go ahead and take all your wrappers off your Rolo so those can be ready. Okay, my dough has just come out of the refrigerator. It's been 30 minutes, so now I am going to roll that into 24 good-sized balls, because remember, the Rolos are going to go in the middle of these. Okay, I finally got 24 little dough balls all rolled up. This dough is pretty sticky, so I just kept wetting my hands and drying them off so the dough would not stick. So next we're going to flatten those and place a Rolo in the center and cover it up. Okay, so I have this batch ready to go into the oven. All I did was I didn't flatten mine. I just stuck the Rolo in the middle and then kind of worked the dough around it and roll it back into a ball. And then you roll it into your cinnamon sugar mixture and put it back on the parchment paper. Just make sure your Rolo is in the center, not hanging out the sides. So next we are going to go ahead and bake this for 10 minutes at 350. Alright, these cookies just came out of the oven and they smell delicious. So now you just want to leave them on this cookie sheet for 2 minutes and then just move them to a piece of parchment paper. And if you want, you can gently tap the tops of these cookies with a spatula to flatten them out a bit. Okay, these cookies are all done and all cooled off, and we are going to have Taste Tester have a little taste. Okay, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yummy.
Have a taste. That wasn't even a taste. There you go.
Yum. Yummy.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. And as you can see, there's that yummy caramel in the center right there. It's yummy and delicious. Have a great Thanksgiving and come and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.